in Kolkata because I have never been there, but I have heard a lot. Even a lot of celebrities also go there, right? There are so many famous pandal where celebrity also goes, right?
Yes.
Can you share something? Because I have no idea.
Okay, so Durga Puja is the most celebrated festival of Kolkata,
Okay.
right? So you won't be able to differentiate when it's day and when it's night
Mm.
because the roads are always decorated, always lighted. Even if it's like 3 a.m. at night, you won't recognize it because of so much crowd. People are always outside walking or visiting pandals.
Mhm.
So it's very beautiful over here. Can
Oh,
you?
that is very famous, like Misti Dahi and Misti Dahi. What do you pronounce? How do you pronounce?
Yeah, we say Mishti Doi.
Oh, Misti Dahi and Rasagulla, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That's us. So you know a lot of thing about Kolkata and like Bengalis. I can see from how much we are
Yeah.
speaking.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello, good morning.
good morning. So we are meeting again.
Mhm. Okay, your name is Tracy. Okay, I didn't remember your name actually.
Yes, yes. How have you been?
Yeah, I have been doing great. My morning was quite hectic, but everything went smoothly as I woke up early morning, so I managed everything. What
Okay.
about you?
Yeah, same. I'm also taking sessions since morning.
Mm.
Tell me what you did since you woke up.
Okay, great question. So you remind my days again, right? Okay, so when I woke up, after freshen up, I just hit the gym. I went there and I did exercise half an hour, and then I back to my home. And today I had a plan to read book, but because of something busy schedule, I couldn't read book. And then I took a shower and I did worship, and then I went to the kitchen, prepared breakfast and lunch. I was busy in the kitchen actually.
Okay.
And yeah, so now I finished all my chores and now it's my time. So I am
Ah,
free to start my day.
that's great. So usually this is how your day goes.
Yeah, actually, my son's school is off as his vacation is going on. So it's going, I can say, quite normal, right? Otherwise, if he goes to a school, then I have to wake up little more early morning and I have to, like, if I want to do something extra, then again, I have to rush towards it. Then I'll again go to the kitchen, prepare breakfast, get him ready, and drop him at his school. So that was quite more, I think, busy or hectic, I can say. But now as his school is off, so everything is going very normal, smoothly, I can say. Yeah.
Okay. So what is the plan for the rest of your day? Do you have any plans or?
Yeah, today I have a plan to go to Dandiya this evening. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward it, and I haven't got ready my dress and all, so I'll check it. Uh,
Okay. So are you excited?
Yeah, I am so excited and I love to play Dandiya. And
Hmm.
we have booked that ticket from Book My Show. And that is, I think, half an hour far from here. But I'm really looking forward it. Yeah, I'm going there with my group. So, sometimes it's even more exciting if you are going somewhere with your group.
Yeah.
What about you? How has your day been so far?
Well, I have had my sessions since morning, and also since I'm from West Bengal, here Durga Puja is in full swing right
Mm,
now.
yeah, yeah.
So
So,
the rest of the day will be just, yeah,
Do you go to at night? And I have heard several times like people go at night and they roaming the night you to see the pandal and all.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
So
So
that is a huge thing over here.
yeah, yeah. So did you go there?
Yes,
How was your experience? It was most full of crowd, right? People have to
yes,
walk a lot,
yes.
I have heard. Can you share something about Durga Puja in Kolkata? Because I have never been there, but I have heard a lot. Even a lot of celebrities also go there, right? There are so many famous pandal where celebrity also goes, right?
Yes.
Can you share something? Because I have no idea.
Okay, so Durga Puja is the most celebrated festival of Kolkata,
Okay.
right? So you won't be able to differentiate when it's day and when it's night because the roads are always decorated, always lighted. Even if it's like 3 a.m. at night, you won't recognize it because of so much crowd. People are always outside walking or visiting pandals.
Mhm.
So it's very beautiful over here. Can you describe in your state how does it take place?
No, I'm in Hyderabad, so it's normal. There is nothing here. It might be one or two pandals somewhere else, but I
Yeah, the
haven't.
most celebrated festival over there. Can you share some insights of it?
I think most excited is Ganesh Puja, like Ganesh Chaturthi, and that was 11 days festival that is celebrated in each society. When so every days people got ready and everyone went downstairs, and every day they decided a different some program too. So some days kids dance, so some days any kind of game and all. So I participated there. So 11 days was completely busy. Yeah, so this is the and at last they served a prasad too. And there are a lot of family who lives in a nuclear family, so they don't need to cook all. They just go downstairs and take their prasad, and that is like enough meal from them. Right. But someone who is living in a joint family, so they have to cook, right? Because
Yeah.
one wants a different thing. And here people offer rice, like they make different kind of rice, like turmeric rice, tomato rice. They loves rice, and here they prepare in every puja they offer rice and mirchi bhaji. Like I am from North Indian, so we never offer onion garlic to God, right? But here people offer. They make it like onion bhaji and all. So sometimes it's a surprise for us, but I think they offer it. It's their tradition.
Right. So you originally you belong from Uttar Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
right? As you mentioned yesterday, and
Exactly.
now you're currently staying in Hyderabad,
Mm.
right? So
Yeah.
what is the most culture shock that you uh, got? Like the most difference in culture? Like in
Mm.
Uttar Pradesh, there was a different culture. In Hyderabad, there's a different culture. I hope.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of things that I personally feel. The first thing is that here they follow their culture, right? Even though they are good at English, they are good at their background, they are rich too, but they follow their culture. In every festival, they wear sari and they wear that garland on their hair, and they also use turmeric on their leg and hand, all. And they celebrate at each festival with full swing, right? But
Mm.
in North Indian we follow more foreign culture, I can say. Like even during a puja, mostly of the women don't want to wear like a bindi or anklet, and even sari too. Most of the people usually like to wear suit or anything like that is comfortable. We rarely prefer sari to wear in any occasion. So that is most thing that I realize. Second thing is that I personally feel here in Hyderabad, they they know English, but they follow their mother tongue too. Even each kids know their mother tongue. Even they also speak very well English, but like with their grandparents or at their home, they speak their language Telugu. Apart from that some kids know Tamil or any other language, because if like parents are from somewhere else, so they know that language. And if I talk about North, so in the North, if like someone is very rich background and their parents speak English, suppose they learned a lot English and they know it, so they want to speak only English with their kid, right? And they don't want their kid learn their mother tongue or that kind of language. I have seen several families, even they don't want their grandparents even talk to them in their mother tongue. So I personally feel yeah, these things. Yeah, I think these two things I can say right now. There are several more
Okay.
things, but I don't remind those things. Mm.
Okay. So you think that you like it more over here that people are more balanced, that they are learning English as well as they're maintaining their mother tongue at the same time?
Exactly. Yeah, I love it. And here people are very polite. They are very grounded. There is no any show off. Like if you go to the north, people look more advanced, like if their look and the way they present themselves. Like if you go their house and if you look at the person, that is completely different because people are
Okay.
believing more than on showing off themselves, right? But here north, it's completely different from there. Like here people looks very simple, and if you go their house, your eyes will open. Oh my God. So it's completely different. They don't show off.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how long have you
And
been
they go,
shifted?
it's been, I think, 6 years.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So whenever you go out, what do you prefer to eat?
What do you prefer to eat?
Eat. Yeah.
Okay, I prefer street food,
Hmm.
and Kolkata has so many options of it
Hmm.
already. So I
Yeah.
prefer street food, or even I try out restaurants and cafes once in a while. I am
Hmm.
not very fond of junk food.
Hmm.
So once in a while, I am okay with it.
Hmm.
What do you like to eat?
Yeah, I'm sure pani puri is most favorite, like because I
Yes.
think all girls love to eat puri, right? Sometimes we can't resist our feeling whenever we saw pani puri, and even in Kolkata, right? I think people love to eat pani puri and they get good quality of pani puri, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, and there are a lot of food that is very famous, like Misti Dahi and Misti Dahi. What do you pronounce? How do you pronounce?
Yeah, we say mishti doi.
Oh, Misti Dahi and Rasagulla, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That's us. So you know a lot of thing about Kolkata and like Bengalis. I can see from how much we are
Yeah.
speaking.
Okay, so my husband born in UP, but they brought up in Kolkata. They have completed his studying and everything from Kolkata, and for job purpose, they shifted in Hyderabad. Right.
Okay.
And that's why I have heard a lot about Kolkata, and they also remember a lot in Durga Puja because that is very famous, right? So everyone missed a lot in Durga
Okay.
Puja. Yeah,
So does he say positive things to you about Kolkata?
yeah,
Does he
yes.
talk about it?
Yeah, like if you talk about like a food compared to Hyderabad, so there is people can all kind of people can live there, right? Because here in Kolkata, I think that I have heard, I'm sharing you my experience. Like you
Sure.
can get all range of food, like minimum can say and maximum too, right? And in Kolkata, yeah, Kolkata is obviously full of crowd. Like if you see the bus, that is completely overcrowded. Like people are just hanging on the bus. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, even yeah, I think they went to the college by bus, so they shared a lot of things. What do you think about Kolkata? So what's your plan for a future? Do you want to stay in Kolkata or you have a plan to shift it somewhere else after marriage or what?
No, as of now, I would like to like stay in my hometown. If I ever have to go outside for job or any other purpose, then
Mm-hmm.
I'll look into it. But otherwise, trying. I will always try to stay in my hometown.
Okay, so can you tell me two things that you really like it and two things that you don't like?
Okay. Regarding don't like, I would like to say that it's getting quite populated. Like
Mm,
it's overpopulated. Do you
yeah.
think your place is also like your state does also feel overpopulated, or is it like not?
Okay. Yeah, sure. I will tell, but you tell two things that you really like over there.
Okay, I think for communication, it's a very good place. Like from going from one place to another, it's
Mm,
very easy, right?
mm,
Because we have lots of options, and
mm,
the festivals. Definitely, I can't miss out on that. The
mm.
festivals of Kolkata,
Yeah.
because we celebrate every festival.
Mm, exactly. Okay, and two things that you don't like. The first one is crowd, right? And second
Yes.
thing, what was that?
Second thing, I would say that like but I can talk about pollution as well
Mm,
on a similar basis. Like
mm. And what about food?
food is good. I like it.
Mm.
Obviously, it's my hometown, so I like food over here.
Okay, so in India, can you tell me any your like your dream place where you want to visit?
I would definitely love to visit Kerala.
Kerala.
Yes. Can you speak like what do you want to visit? Where do you want to visit? Sorry.
Okay, so now I don't have any dream place, but yeah, definitely I can also go Kerala and Goa, I can say, because that is not very far from here, right? So
Right.
yeah, even during COVID, I had a plan to visit there, but because of pandemic, then we had to cancel that plan. So now I don't have any plan to go anywhere, but in the future we can think about it. But I also love greenery and that nature kind of environment that really give me a different kind of pace. So I love that kind of place.
Okay. So
Mm.
do you want to travel abroad as well, or is it just India that you want to
Okay,
travel?
yeah, definitely. I think all girls from India wants to go abroad if they ever get a chance. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I can't say because I don't have any plan to go there or like in the future. But if I ever get a plan, definitely I will go there. And what about you? Same, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
It all depends on opportunities, I would say.
exactly. Yeah. Okay, so what kind of place do you like?
I like beaches. What do you like?
You like beaches? Okay.
Are
Before
you a mountain person or are you a beach person?
I think I'm mountain person. Earlier, before marriage, I can say yes, I was beach person. But after marriage, after baby, the stage of life now. I love mountain. I love peaceful place, and that is surrounded by greenery and such a tranquil atmosphere. So I love the kind of places. So it's
Okay.
all about a stage of life.
So where have you visited? Have you visited Darjeeling, Sikkim, like mountainous areas? Where have you visited as of now?
Okay, I visited Manali. Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, Shimla, Manali, and that was full of greenery and places. And one of my favorite place in Manali, that is Rohtang Pass, right? So that is full of snow, where I really enjoyed there. Even though we didn't play any game like skiing and all, but we enjoyed there a lot. And I can't forget that Maggie that I ate on the no, that was really very expensive, but that taste was really amazing. Apart from that, I also visited Bhima Sankar in Pune, right? Lonavala, Bhima Sankar. That is very famous places. I'm sure you must have heard it. But
Yes.
again, same is that is on the mountain, and there is a strawberry that is very famous over there. So I think if anybody go there, definitely they should try. That is amazing.
Okay. Okay, Priyanka, tell me, how are you liking your clapping go sessions as of now? How many sessions have you taken overall? Are you regular?
Yeah, now I am a regular, and yeah, it's going great. So some expert are more like they have a more experience, so they shared something more valuable way, or they share more better way. Some are like a new, so that's good. Everything is going great, I can say.
Okay.
How has your journey?
Yeah, my journey is also, I would say, good as of now. I haven't faced any difficulty.
Okay. So when did you start this session? Like since morning when?
Since 10, it's
Okay.
been almost 2 hours.
Okay, since 10 to 5.
No, I am taking since 10 to, from 10 to 1 as of now.
Okay, okay. It's like a part-time job, right?
Like I can choose my timings.
That's great. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. We
Okay,
had
so
a
do
good
you have any
conversation.
feedback for me?
Well, I did not find much mistakes. You are definitely fluent, but there are some pauses maybe in your sentences which can you walk through. You can read or listen to podcasts. That will like go away with time.
Hmm.
So don't focus or don't think about it much. Okay.
Exactly.
So you
Yeah.
can improve with your fluency a bit more by listening to podcasts or by reading out loud any paragraph or stories.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So thank you so much for your valuable time. I hope you're liking our sessions
Yeah, sure.
and I hope we will meet again. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.